Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before few days back, I have created a survey that whether I should post some job opportunities for you or not. So people have responded. They are interested to getting some job opportunities. So here I have come up with some job opportunities to share with you. Before starting, I just wanted to give a disclaimer that I do not have any reference to that company. I will be sharing the job links. I do not own any of the links, and all the things, all the jobs are just available publicly. I am giving you as a information only. There is no relation, nothing with me. So let's get started. The first opportunity we have from Wipro. As you know, Wipro is one of the multinational company. It has an internship opportunity and the date posted on 30th October, that is 3 days back. The city is Bangalore. You have to be on Bangalore to get work on this job. What you need to do, it is an internship. You have to collaborate with the global team. You have to initiate some of the practical experience to the Wipro organization, and whatever they will be giving you the opportunities according to the you have to work. So basically, they are saying that you have to be on a tech savvy and develop domain expertise and craft solution on the real world challenges. So they will give you some of the tasks based on their availability, so you can do the internship. If you want to apply, just click apply now and give your resume, complete the details, and you will be applied. Next, we have Power Platform Engineer opportunity on Hyderabad. As you know, Power Platform is owned by Microsoft. So here, if you see, you can be relocate to Hyderabad, and they might be giving you some bonuses for relocation. There is a referral reward is there. If you come here, they are saying that you have to build some solution architecture on Power Platform. You have to know about Power Platform. You have to define the best practices building and managing Power Solution on Power Platform. The things you need to know in advance, it would be best like Power Apps, Power Automation Tool, Power Pages, Power Flow, SharePoint database, and Database. These are the things is required, and they are asking for engineering graduation or post graduation. Those people can apply. That means a fresher definitely can apply, and that is a Pepsico company. Next, we have another opportunity for Meta. As you know, Meta owns Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. So this Meta is another multinational company. And here you can see that's a Bangalore in India, and it's a full-time opportunity. Here you can apply to this job. And here it says that university graduate, like you have just graduated from university, so you can definitely apply for this job. And you have to know about coding, because here it says that the code base and the system design you have to know. Additionally, you have to know the data analysis, software engineering. You have to know the test coverage, like how you are going to write the test cases or how the test works. This is important. Additionally, you have to work on other things that they are saying. The minimum qualification to apply for this job, you have to be bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or relevant, and degree must be completed prior to joining Meta. That means you have to be completed your degree. That means you have your result and the certificate in your hand. Then only you can join. You should have experience with writing code as per the industry standard. I hope most of people you have already learned during your college days. And if you are at India, so there is nothing to get about work authorization. But if you are coming from other countries, definitely you have to have a work authorization. And this is you can be preferred qualification. If you see, they have mentioned that previous internship and work experience, coding competition or publication would be a best opportunity for you. And definitely master degree or bachelor degree could be best. And they have not mentioned whether it's a distance education or full-time education. So you can check it out. You can apply and see whether they are approving your request or not. Next, we have Associate Data Scientist, that is Gurugram, Haryana, India. that job posted on 28th of the October, few days back, if you see. And here you will be able to apply at this job, and the job responsibilities is for the data. Fine. So if I come down here, so you will be basically working with the here you see working on the project partnership with the business teams. You have to work with the business team. You have to deliver high quality of solution, maintaining proper documentation. Whatever job like work you do, always think that I have to prepare a journal every work. So here you have to also like maintain every job. This is my personal recommendation. So you can work on those. You have to be fluent in English, and you have to successfully complete the interview. There is nothing as such, any requirement is there if you see. Okay, so it's better if you know the data very well. And here you see that the 0 experience and up to 2 years experience can apply, and the fundamentals and the strong knowledge on LP, MILP, MDP and meta heuristics such as GA and SEO, these things should be at your knowledge. Additionally, you should know that algorithm designing and the heuristics and solving formulations efficiently in the strict academic settings. You should know C++, Java, R, Python or other structural programming language, and definitely you should know AI/ML module, and then you can apply for the job. Last but not the least, you know the Genpact is another multinational company, is offering for business analyst, and you should know the Power BI. Then you can definitely apply on this job. And if you can see, they are asking minimum qualification is graduate or master degree, and you should know how to write Power Query and how to design charts and the other structures on Power BI. You should know like how to combine data set from various systems and do data cleaning like ELT, ETL and these things most probably. So you should know about all those things so that you can definitely apply. Additionally, if you have experience with Microsoft Office application and having oral and good communication skills and written communication skills, having experience with Microsoft Power Platform, Power Apps, Flow and MS Forms, that means you should know all these things. So definitely you can then apply. If you see here apply online, so you can apply on this job. So that's it for today's video. I thought like it would be best for you. If you think that this series what I'm just trying to start, if it is useful for you, please comment that I'm interested. I will be coming up in future more and more, and I will be try to coming up with international opportunities as well. I will come up with those as well. So if you have gained some value from this video, please hit the like button. If you have any comments, so comment box is always open for you. I will be definitely replying your each and every comment. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I generally come up with free courses alert, free certification alerts, and if you stay interested, I will come up with free job opportunities alerts as well. So see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.